YouTube viewers, we're back today. We just did a video yesterday, but we wanted to touch base again to give you some more information. And also, if you guys have been watching our videos and you're enjoying them, please remember to subscribe below, like, and definitely comment. Give us some ideas. You know, if you want some information, we'll get that information for you and we'll put it out there for anything, any of the cruise lines. I mean, our main thing we've been is Carnival.
Right.
We've got a few others planned, but we do keep up to date on a lot of the information.
Definitely. Besides Carnival and Princess, if there's any other information you want to know about Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, Holland,
comment below.
Let us know. I'll do my research. I'll get the information. I'll put it out for you. We're here to help the YouTube viewers so they're educated. The more you know. There's Charlie again.
There he goes. On that note, we won't keep you on this part, but stay tuned. Keep watching.
Yep.
Be sure to subscribe.
Yep. Love y'all.
And hit the bell if you guys want to keep up to date on our information. Click the bell. Talk soon.
Cheers.
Charlie's saying bye.
Bye. Hey, Tonya.
What's up, John?
So what are we going to talk about today?
We are going to go over some breaking cruise news that we found out.
Yes. So good morning, all. It's January 9th. It's about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time.
We got our sidekick here.
Sidekick Charlie. So it's about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time here in Detroit. And I woke up this morning, read some news, and some good news going on. So the Carnival Miracle is starting set sail today for Hawaii. I'm opening up my phone, so I want to give you the correct information on the protocols. Besides, they got to take a test, make sure they're COVID negative. They have to have their vaccines, so they got to be totally vaccinated. And there's 3 stipulations, which I'm going to read. Okay, a medical agreement outlining medical agreement outlining evacuation of passengers of crew in need of care. That's 1. 2, a housing agreement should quarantine or isolate of passengers or crew to be needed. That's number 2. Number 3, acknowledgement of public health response resource of local jurisdiction and vaccination strategies implemented by the cruise lines to minimize the risk of spreading of COVID-19. That sounds like they're doing that anyways. So, bravo. But I know the Mardi Gras, they do have a little wing in case you do come down with COVID-19 to isolate you. So they're doing this anyways. So that's good. I'm glad. That's great news for the cruise lines that they are going back to other ports. On the flip side, the Carnival Legend, they got scrubbed going to Panama on their 14-day cruise. They're going on a 10-day cruise instead to the Caribbean, and all the passengers are getting compensated with onboard credit and future cruise credit for future cruises. So Carnival is not say, hey, guess what? Surprise, no Panama. No. Protocol, we will compensate you, and here's what's going on. And on another good cruise news, guess what was up on Friday, Tonya?
What was up?
The stocks on the cruise lines. So, you know what? It's slowly coming back. And it's good signs. Good signs ahead. So, you got anything to talk about today?
Yeah, so I just wanted to, I thought it was cute just to make, a more positive thing. we mentioned in one of our previous videos that the doors and the walls and stuff were magnetic. So we pick up these cute little magnets. There's this one, some flip-flops. We got a little duck here.
No, that's flamingo.
Flamingo, sorry, that's what I mean.
Right.
I got duck on the brain because of all these ducks.
Cruising ducks.
Been making over 100 ducks to be passing out on our boats. So we got a pineapple, just a bunch of different things. We have a porthole actually as well.
Yep.
I'm not holding it up too long because the blue and the green pick up from our green.
You want to show our sign?
So, yeah, I can show it real quick, but it does have blue in it, so it may pick up some of our green screen in the background here, but...
I'll help you.
Yep. So we've got our...
TJ Fun 71.
That's going to go on our door. So if you see that on our door and you're on one of our cruises...
That's where we are.
That's us.
Yep.
Like I said, look for our ducks as well on the Mardi Gras coming up from January 22nd to the 29th.
Yep.
And then also we have a cruise coming up in March on the Princess, which we will also be doing ducks on that boat. What are the dates for that cruise?
Oh, geez. Was it March 4th through
I think it is.
12th?
So around that time, if you're on the
about
Princess,
58 days out.
we will be putting ducks on that boat as well.
Yep.
So, John, do you have anything you want to add regarding our Princess cruises?
I sure do. So, besides the Carnival Cruise Line, we're going to have to start focusing on Princess Cruise Line because we have that up and coming less than 60 days. Hey, trivia question. Here we go. Do you know the famous ship from the Love Boat?
No.
What cruise line?
Princess.
Yes. It was Princess, and that one...
Lucky guess.
Yep. It was the Pacific Princess. Had been decommissioned a couple years ago, but it had the Sea Witch, and some of the takes from Love Boat was taken on the ship itself. And here's another one. Here's another thing. What a lot of people don't know. When they start coming onto the ship in the very beginning, you see the passengers. Those are actual passengers that was going to set sail on the Carnival, on the Princess ship. They paid extra money just to be in the little clip. Hey, I was on TV. So I'm going to start talking about Princess Cruise Line. Excuse me, I'm getting a little
I think
comfortable.
John's boring, Charlie.
Wow. Hey, buddy. Your eyes are closing. I'm like...
We start these videos and he sits at our feet before we even say a word and he starts crying immediately. So he's just... And then he wants to be part of it. So I guess if the video's not about him, he's got to be in it.
I guess so. So Princess Cruise Line has 8 ships right now sailing. And I'm going to tell you which ones. The Majestic, which is on the West Coast, 100% capacity. The Regal Princess, 100% capacity, to Caribbean out of Fort Lauderdale. The Sky Princess, the one we're going on, 100% capacity, Caribbean, Fort Lauderdale. Grand Princess, West Coast, out of Los Angeles, 100% capacity. The Emerald, sailing to the Caribbean, out of Fort Lauderdale, 100% capacity. Then the Ruby Princess, I've been on that one, nice boat. Sailing out of San Francisco, 100% capacity, West Coast. Enchanted, 100% capacity, Caribbean, Fort Lauderdale. Caribbean Princess, been on that one too, very nice. 100% capacity, the Caribbean, Fort Lauderdale. Then they're going to have more ships coming in 2022, and I'll tell you which ones those are right now. Discovery, West Coast, Los Angeles, 100% capacity. 100% capacity, Royal Princess, West Coast, Vancouver. Island Princess, 100% capacity. That's coming in April of 22. Panama Canal, out Fort Lauderdale. And these are a little bit later in the year. April 28th, Diamond Princess, 100% capacity. That one's out of Japan, 6 nights, 100% capacity. And this one is Alaska, Crown Princess, 100% capacity, 7 nights, selling out of Seattle. And that one comes online in May of 22. Then we got the Sapphire Princess, 100% capacity, August 28th of 2022, selling Asia, which is going to go to Hong Kong, then hopefully, fingers crossed, Australia, be online, 12 nights. And the last one, which is the latest for 2022, is going to be the Coral Princess, 100% capacity, September 5th, Australia. You want to go on this one? Say yes. Say yes.
It depends on how long we're gone.
Just say yes.
Okay, sure.
35 days, Australia cruise. So, also the itinerary for this is, you said yes, right? So it's Hawaii, Tahiti, and the South Pacific. You ready to go?
Sure, let's go tomorrow.
Okay, no, we can't. We got to wait until September 5th of 2022.
Okay.
So that's right before.
Now, this is Princess we've been talking
Yes.
about.
Princess does worldwide cruises. And here's another thing.
I've never been on a Princess.
Mm-hmm.
You said you have.
Yes.
The thing is, anyone that's been on a Princess, let us know if you've been on Princess and Carnival. Comment below the difference. If you like Carnival better or Princess better. What's the ins and outs? What's the goods and the bads about both? Like I said, the only thing I've been on is Carnival. And it'd be good to hear that information.
And here's another thing. Carnival Corporation owns Princess Cruise Lines. So they are part of Carnival Corporation. So one Princess cruise ship did have a COVID outbreak on it. As of Friday, the Ruby Princess, which was on a 10-day cruise going down to Mexico, the crew and the passengers are 100% vaccinated, and they came into San Fran and they did have COVID outbreak on it. They didn't say how many. I shouldn't even say outbreak. I know we
I
like.
put Charlie down. I don't know if you can hear him in
Hear
the
him?
video, but
Yeah.
he's doing his little. He quacks like a duck. He doesn't bark like a dog.
You jealous? Yeah. Okay, on that note, I think Charlie's saying we should end the video, so we'll see you on the cruise side.
Cruise side.
All right. Oh,
How many days, John?
12 more days.
Well, 12 days till we fly to Florida.
Yes.
13 days till we see any of you that are going on the Mardi Gras.
That's right.
Fingers crossed, everything still goes well.
That's right. Have a good day, everyone.
Take care.
Bye.